Welcome to Next Up. My name is Aki Anastasiou, and in this episode we review the new Apple AirPods Pros, and I cannot wait to tell you about how good the noise cancellation is on these new AirPods Pros. So the first thing you noticed, and I noticed this when I put these into my ears, is how comfortable they felt. You know, I wore mine initially for a few hours and they really felt like a glove. It feels like I've got nothing in my ear. So I really have got completely used to this being in my ear. Now normally with inner ear headphones, the silicone covering can be a bit of an irritation, but the Apple AirPods Pros felt super comfortable, and literally after a few minutes I didn't even feel that they were in my ears. So once you've paired the AirPods to your iPhone, you do Apple's ear tip fit test, which basically runs an audio test to help you fit the AirPods perfectly into your ears. You get to choose from 3 different sizes of soft, flexible silicone tips. So what's the deal with the AirPods Pros? Well, the active noise cancellation is absolutely fantastic. You know, when they talk about that immersive sound experience, these AirPods Pros deliver. They literally lock out the noise outside. So I've got this in my one ear. I'm going to put this in the other ear as well. And it literally locks out all that noise. Now, the technology that does that is pretty neat. There's an outward-facing microphone that detects outside noise, and there's one on the inside, and these both listen for unwanted sound, and then they eliminate it with anti-noise. It all happens without you even realizing it. In fact, the noise cancellation is continually adjusted at 200 times per second for truly immersive sound to give you perfect sound, whether you're listening to music, you're listening to podcasts, or you're taking calls. That is all made possible by Apple's H1 chip, which makes all that magic happen in your ears without you even realizing it. Now, the noise cancellation is so good that you can't even hear your surroundings. So if you're running, for example, that could be a bit of an issue because you need to hear for noises like a car coming past or cyclists, for example. Now, there's a really cool feature to get around that particular problem. Apple allow users to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. So what do I mean by that? All you do is you just press a force sensor that's at the stem of your AirPods, and it switches between the 2 modes. Now, the sound remains awesome, but you can still hear faint noises in that transparency mode. So you'll hear those noises that you need to hear about. The microphone delivers great audio quality, and Apple have added an expanded mesh microphone port. Now, this comes in really handy when you're on a call and there's like windy conditions and you don't hear that. You know that noise when you're in windy conditions? Well, because of this mesh port, you're not going to hear this. The other person on the other side won't even hear that there's wind around you. Now, I mentioned running, right? These are sweat and water resistant, so they're great for using them in the gym, if you're going out for a run, for example, or if you're having a strenuous workout. They're fantastic. They don't slip out. And what about the battery? That's very important. Well, this charging case has 24 hours of battery life, and you get 3 hours of juice from charging them for 15 minutes in this particular case. Apple AirPods Pro's noise cancellation is so impressive. Together with a great fit in your ears, a fantastic battery life, these AirPods are just awesome for everyday use and for your virtual conferences, for your gym, for your running. The microphone quality is absolutely superb as well. So all round, these are really fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Please do click on that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so we can alert you on any new videos as they come out. Thanks for watching Next Up. We'll see you soon for another episode.